How to modify Agoda reservations. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to modify Agoda reservations. Now, modifying an Agoda reservation, you need to log into your account first thing first, after which you can just go to My Booking section or My Trip section from the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select a reservation. That means find the book that you want to change. And what you need is you could just go ahead and manage booking or change dates to update your details as well. As you've done that, you want to review the new updating booking information and confirm. So basically, you will be able to find your booking. There you could just go ahead and select the change button or edit. And if you are able to do it, so that's well and good. If you cannot find the change or edit button, then you might have to contact the seller. You might have to contact the host or an owner, and or else you could also contact support team. They should be able to help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.